Howdy folks, got a quick update for you. I got a package today and want to show you what it is. It is a Windmax wind turbine, 24 volt, 1000 watt. It's from Applied Magnets. Comes with a controller, which I won't be using, and I'm going to be putting it together today, and I'll show it to you when I get it up on my tower. Alrighty. Hey folks, just got her mounted today. It didn't take too long. I put the post up before, about last week. It's a 2-inch gal pipe I spray painted white. There's the coupling there, and that's how I secured it to the wall. Had some unistrut left over, so I lagged the unistrut to the wall there. I used the bottom one as a pivot point. It's kind of shaky. Thought maybe the bolt was gonna snap when we were trying to raise it, but yeah, it worked out alright. And it's my winch I got there, and that kind of helped pull it up. I got it covered right now because of the rain, but I could probably take it off because I'm done with it. I'm probably gonna kind of anchor it with some guide wire to the roof, so it kind of gets more stability. But yeah, I'm waiting on the wind now. But yeah, and you can also see how off this wall is. See how, like, the spacers I had to use. I had to use more spacers at the bottom, and less spacers, less spacers, less spacers. But the pole is straight, completely straight. So, and then I ran the extension cord wire, which is a SOJ cord or something like that. 3 conductors in there, like extension cord. This is a 10 gauge, and I kind of ran it underneath my deck and into my solar closet, which is over there, and I'll show you the controller. Okay folks, this is the high energy HYE wind solar hybrid controller. What I did was I ran that black cable. It has its own rectifier in there. The one wire to my left is the battery. The wire to the right is the solar. What I did was I took the 230 watt solar panel, which is on my main roof, that was in this Sandtrax controller. I stuck that into this controller, and it's doing a pretty good job compared to what it did in the Sandtrax controller, and I'll show you. This has different settings. This is the PV amperage right now. That's the wind voltage. It's the PV voltage. That's the wind watts. PV watts. Which, believe it or not, I didn't get this much out of that panel on the Sandtrax at this time of day. But yeah, it's a pretty cool controller, and you can click around to the different settings. It tells you the battery voltage and all that. And I usually just keep it on wind watts. Let me scroll back to it. Alright, so I keep it on that. When the wind starts to blow, I think more than 6 miles an hour, this will start to go. Start to kind of move. The sun symbol turns to a moon at nighttime when it doesn't detect any solar. This tells you the charge status of the battery, and I keep trying to get the light to come on. It only stays on a couple seconds. But let me get it back on where I like to set it, wind watts. Yeah, like I said, when that wind starts to move, that icon kind of moves, which is kind of cool. Let me show you what's inside. Inside is the rectifier, the controllers, and there's a little green LED that blinks in there. It's kind of cool. And these are the resistors to 600 watts, and some cooling fans that kick in. I think this kicks in around 29, when the batteries are 29 volts, I believe. So I heard it kick in every now and then to dump the excess power. And yeah, I think it's pretty nice little unit. If it doesn't really work out, I think I can probably modify it. I originally was going to do use my Outback charge controller, but I could probably modify this. I can use the rectifier, I can use the resistors. I'll just kind of abandon this. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright. So what I did was, as far as the overcurrent protection, I took the 240 amp breakers that I was using for my Xantrex here. Once for the battery, once for the solar panel, and that goes for this now. But yeah, in a future project, I was going to turn this Xantrex controller back to 12 volts to charge all my 12 volt batteries, which I have down here for miscellaneous lighting purposes and whatnot. Okay, I just wanted to show you how much we made today. See if I can get down here. Looks like 4 kilowatt hours. And see how much we sold. It was kind of scattered today because it was kind of cloudy this morning, rainy and whatnot, so we didn't get a full day of sun, but better than nothing. Battery and dirt. But yeah, everything's working out really good. Alright. Thanks for watching. This is John from the Jersey Shore, and I'll keep the updates coming. Thanks.